Hello, I'm Ornella Devinil, Executive Director of E4Dev. Several challenges plague the landscape of sexual and reproductive health, which significantly contribute to unwanted pregnancies and school dropout rates. One pressing issue is the intersection of measuring the menstrual cycle, adapted documentation to facilitate access to information on menstrual hygiene of persons with disabilities. Add to that the financial precarity and ineffective distribution or access to menstrual products, hindering the accessibility of education for countless girls with disabilities. Limited education about menstrual health and hygiene contributes to the perpetuation of myths and misconceptions, hindering proper menstrual hygiene practices and the involvement of caregivers in following up the menstrual health of their daughters. Young girls with disabilities lack access to menstrual products due to financial incapacity the day menstruation appears. They are sent back home or don't go to school when they are on their period due to pains. Prior and timely notification helps them take disposition with their painkillers and sanitary pads. Considering that young girls with disabilities in my community don't have access to smart devices or exposure to digitalization, a device that is cost-effective and simple to use is crucial. And here comes Menstrual, your data-driven menstrual hygiene suite for young girls with disabilities aged 12 to 18 years and up to 29 years, depending on their impairment. The core of our solution is an AI-powered predictive algorithm which forecasts menstrual health cycles based on historical data and user-specific patterns. Our internally designed bracelet, powered by this technology, provides discrete, timely, and non-inclusive notification via vibration, informing users ahead of their period to prepare adequately. The data allows us to distribute our disposable banana fiber sanitary pads and our washable sanitary pads using hubs such as schools, health centers, and more, so the young girl can access the product when it is needed. This is a multi-layered solution designed not just as a wearable, but data-driven, designed for empowerment and for all, irrespective of disability. Menstrual is a user-based centered solution done with the participation of more than 300 women and girls with disabilities, their cycle of care, medical practitioners, and civil society organizations. A product that uses tactile sensing vibration technology to inform young girls of their menstrual cycle and increase access to menstrual product, therefore reducing school dropout and shame. Joined to that is our disability-friendly documentation, a sensitization campaign, and the engagement of cycle of care. From the past version to the current, and what the final commercial version will look like. With further development, we need more support and financing for the device to have more features and reach young girls with disabilities, especially in rural areas. Thank you for your support.